please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Keeping your pool water in balance is important for many reasons. It helps keep the pool inviting, comfortable, and protects valuable pool equipment. Balanced water also helps other chemicals work more effectively, saving you from further effort and additional costs. To keep your pool in balance all season long, have the water tested on a monthly basis by your local expert BioGuard dealer. Using Alex, the most innovative, comprehensive, and accurate water test available, your BioGuard dealer can help determine if and when you need to add a pool balancer. pH is the most important thing to watch. If it's high, it can cause skin irritation, scaling, or cloudy water, while low pH can cause corrosion or skin irritation. It's heavily impacted by pool use and weather conditions, so use a Balance Pack 200 to raise pH or Low and Slow to lower it. When alkalinity levels drop too low, using an alkalinity increaser like Balance Pack 100 will prevent rapid swings in pH and help stabilize it. If needed, Low and Slow will lower alkalinity. Improper calcium hardness levels can result in scaling, etching of plaster surfaces, wrinkling of liners, or cause corrosion on metal equipment. Use Balance Pack 300 to raise it back up. Other pool balancers are used to prevent metallic stains by removing metals from the water, correct mineral imbalances, and act as a shield for chlorine so it lasts longer. You see, balancers play a vital role in your pool's overall clarity, comfort, and protection. Consult with your local expert BioGuard dealer to determine the best way to keep your pool in balance for sparkling water and better all-around performance.
Thanks for watching.